Now let's look at theorem 2 type B. So this will be theorem 2 type B. Okay, let's look at our notes first. So we are looking at this type B here, where it says modulus of x, okay, the absolute value of x is less than p. So let me write it down here. Modulus of x is less than p. So our p is a real number. So we can use the test value of 10 for this example here. So modulus of x is less than p. So p is 10 now. Alright, so what does it mean by this? Your x now could be any value, any values, as long as, okay, as long as it is lesser than 10 units away from 0. Okay, if I were to draw a number line like this, so I will have my 0 in the middle. Our x here could go all the way to positive 10, like this. So this is our positive 10. What it means by this expression is our x here could be any value under this constraint, okay, from 0 all the way to positive 10, but it doesn't include this 10. But since this is a modulus operation now, okay, the negative side must be considered as well. So the opposite of positive 10 is negative 10. So if you put negative 10 in this modulus sign, you will also get positive 10, right? So here is your negative 10. Your x could also go down all the way to negative 10, because anything under these two constraints here will have the absolute value of less than 10. Let's say you have your absolute value of negative 5. So you will get 5, right? Positive 5. So that is still 5 units away from 0. That is 5 units away from 0, meaning that it is still under these two constraints. Okay, let's say you have your absolute value of 9. So you'll get 9. So 9 is here. So it is only 9 units away from 0, meaning that this equation still correct. Okay, your x must be less than 10. The absolute value of x specifically, okay, the absolute value will always be positive. So that value, okay, those values here are actually the distance from 0. So anything under these two constraints here will satisfy this equation. So how do you write the expression for this? Okay, your x now, okay, let me use other color. Your x now could be bigger than negative 10 and lesser than positive 10. So in interval notation, bigger than negative 10, lesser than positive 10, like that. So that is how you solve this simple equation, inequality equation.